candlestick chart. Now, candlestick chart is also known as Japanese candlestick chart. Now, candlestick chart is the most used chart, and it is used to predict price movement of security, derivatives, or currency. One candlestick usually shows one day. However, it can be changed as per the user. It gives you multiple options, example 1 month, 1 week, 4 hourly, 1 hourly, as you like. So you can choose in between them and it will show, let's say, 1 day candlestick or 1 week candlestick chart. Now, candlestick chart is a combination of line and bar chart. So this one chart, it consists of two different charts. Each bar shows all important information of the day. Example, open, close, high, and low. These are all the important information that you need to know once you're trading. Now, candlestick charts are so powerful that they represent trading patterns over short time frames. Example, few days. That is, if you're trading a daily chart, then it will be few days. If you're trading an hourly chart, then it will be few hours. Now, candlestick charts are usually used in equity and currency pattern trading. Because once you're trading, you need to know what the pattern is going. And that's what the power of candlestick chart is. And that's what the course is about. Candlestick patterns. Now, candlestick is a very similar chart to box plots. However, they both are very unrelated. They both are completely unrelated. Candlestick chart can be changed from 1 day to 1 month or any way the user, that is you, like. Example, 1 month chart will show 20 to 22 trading days in one candlestick. So automatically the chart will pick what the trading days were in January, and it will make one candlestick out of that. Either it's 20, 22 or whatever it is. Thank you.